man. That is it, man. Peeps, look at that. Yeah, man, fish in a pot, man. Under some coconut juice, you know.
Some peeps I make you cook down to her.
Say hi. Say hi, mommy. Alright, Gracie, I'm paying nobody no mind. Courtney, where you fight the foul for? Where you fight the foul for? What do you fight the foul?
Family and friends adventure!
Yes, my beautiful people, good day, good day, good day, wherever you are.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening and good night.
Yes, my beautiful people. You know, say, we're here up on the seaside.
Yeah.
I go and relax because vibes and one of our bridging. The upper one part, but the water, not that 100 guys. You see
Still
what
a
I'm saying?
try a thing.
Yeah, they still a try a thing.
I didn't better go on.
See them there? But we have things in our igloo, but we are going to deal with. But they say them a try a thing seeing we out there in our water. And we just go on.
I don't know once we touch river sea, you know, I look up at and we cook, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't know, me stay already, you know, me I walk in a miscave footstep, you know.
Yeah, me get tackle a ball gun, guys. So, you know.
Who tackle you?
No cocoa, man. Put a hat,
Oh,
man.
you don't hear me talk about what they hear your video you talk about, wow, go on. Tell them how you gonna.
Why people we get one Bob Marley, them answer.
Okay. Lucas is gone in my yard again. So people, as we say, we can look fish. The water not so 100, but we still a try a thing, you know. But
yeah, man.
I walk in a miscave footstep, you know, man. Still a travel with something in case if not catch, you know.
Yes,
yeah,
no,
man.
man.
So me have our butterfish.
Yes.
Me have must 3 butterfish in a igloo. And 2 other river fish still, or 3 or 4, I don't remember.
Right.
So part of cook see you know.
Yes, no, man.
But we are trying a thing in the water, see what. No way, vibes and we next bridge in Biden are try a thing. Make the people see water, no, man.
Alright, my peeps, so watch how go on.
Makes sense, not the ganga.
Name no cocoa. To be honest with you, no, bro. But guys, I think maybe we are going to use as bait. I don't remember the name.
And try catch the fish.
Yeah,
vibes,
try.
Vibes are far, you could have tell.
Alright, so I'm
see,
pan at them, you know,
put that
guys.
amount of them.
Yeah. So
A
cocoa.
snail me I call them, man. Snail them, man. Watch it.
Can watch how they come out, watch
Did
it.
that come out, you know?
Ah,
Like, one part of
yes,
come
in
out.
this so. Yes, no, man. So,
I see snail.
yeah, so guys.
Even though you can't call conch and then something,
Mhm.
snail, see you know.
So guys,
And I see the snail.
we're there out on the seaside, I go on easy, I wait for vibes. And so guys, here we want. Not ever say here we want. Guys, please, me I beg you, remember, man. Watch out the video them, guys. Subscribe, like, tell a friend if you tell a friend. You see me I say, guys?
And share.
Yes. And share, guys. You see me I say, cause at this moment, some of the time I see say my subscriber thing go up, and then the next moment, Coco, me see, it just drop down. 2, 3 subscribers just gone. So like, me I wonder what go on. You see me I say, guys? So
And you not do nothing wrong.
me not do nothing wrong. We not push out bad content. Me not cuss no bad word. You see me I say? We not do nothing that's not to do on YouTube. We are doing the right thing. You see me I say, guys? So guys, I want to do, guys, subscribe, guys, share the video them, watch out the video them, guys. Cause enough time.
And if everybody now getting notification, you have to make them know when you post.
Yeah.
So if they not get notified and that day in the evening or whatever, then can just go on your channel and
fine.
video drop.
Alright.
I see something I reach vibes, we don't know what I go.
Yeah. So guys, my posting days is like Thursday, Saturday, and some of the time Mondays. Not all the time on Mondays, some of the time. But we post on Mondays, Thursday, and Saturdays. You see me I say, guys? Yes, so that I go on my peeps.
Same thing I reach you.
I same thing I reach vibes. Yeah.
Jamaica vibes. So
Yeah, man.
you know what I don't know if you say.
Yes, man.
No, you don't know a thing set out the road there, you know. You have haters out there, you know. You do a thing and then we try to hold it down.
Yeah.
You see me I say? When me realize with people, you know, some of them, there are some people out there, you know, all when they have it and then see you are try to have something to, then try to roll it down, then say you have potential and then know say yo, you're serious and you will reach up there, you know.
Yes,
but
no,
then
man.
why you come up there, you know. So you have some people stay, you know. That's what I say, and to me see this thing here go, just call it say me I assume. But me feel say yeah, the two channel them a get a little fight.
Get a fight.
To be honest.
Yeah.
Two channel them a get a little fight.
And to be honest, Coco, me kinda made it to, you know.
Left everything to the Almighty.
Yes, no, man. Yeah.
You see me?
Him know what's best, you know. We can determine our future, you know.
Yeah. And you see, I one thing with that youth here, where they you know hear them call Gaza Grill and Coco. Anybody when me go around, and me help nobody, me always do it with a willing heart.
Yes, no, man.
People easily gravitate to me when me go around people. And yesterday me go meet one lady in a old harbour, Miss Mary.
What are we subscribers them?
One of our subscribers.
Yes.
What we long.
Miss Mary, bless
years.
up, Miss Mary.
And
Bless
her
up.
husband, we don't remember her husband's name, but we and her go meet up again because we have some work to do for her.
Yeah.
And I see me and the lady and her husband and boom. And one of my cousins sit down on our veranda. Lady give us sorrel in them a time. Yeah? We are drink out sorrel. I never want to left it in her through my phone ring in the family. Want the next glass of sorrel. Yeah, man. And it's a work we do for the lady. And when we go in and pencil out and send the lady estimate and labor cost, the lady say yes, she will work with the price and everything. And when the lady say, yo, we look at time when we sit down on the veranda and talk, the lady say, yo,
feel like a
feel
family.
Like we are one family, like
yes,
we know each other a long time. Me not do things to people and regret it. All when time them do me wrongs, me feel good when me do things to people in a life.
Yes.
You know, that is me.
You see them come out
all
successful.
When them turn around and fight against me just smile. When me see them a walk on the seat up, me just feel good knowing that I me teach a brother there. Or me help the brother there, the woman there, the pitney there, whatever.
Yeah.
Walk on the water top.
Yes, no, man.
That's how me feel when me do things.
I remember they say no blessing have to flow like a river, you know.
Right, me no give and take back. I one thing we do, we no give and take back.
I will always try to help who can help themselves.
My brother, me have a brother in the door, he can DJ, you know. And in the door, one song where I must say, him what them bad mind me for, I'm not reach nowhere yet. But that's how you go. When we get to understand, people will hate you because you're uglier than them. You don't have to do nobody nothing for them.
Not them nothing.
You see me?
Nothing at all.
But I just that work still, you know, we just go and do we thing.
Yes, do peace,
Yeah,
man. That is
That's
it,
the
guys.
thing,
Guys, I tell you still, no. Feel like I go out there go shoot two big perch, you know, but...
Perch, I see you with the boom. I just talk, you can know when time some people just attack, you know, man. I see you with the ear where you shoot big perch.
Yo, I shoot two parrot,
I have a
man.
fishing rod in our vehicle, man.
We are going to test you out.
Yo, put on something them pan and try.
Yeah, there be something here. There be
and
something
try
here.
to something my youth.
Yeah, I'm here so they can hit, you know.
Nah, them in the car. So sitting and let out like whiskers.
Mhm.
Pan one over there.
I tell you, man, watch it, guys. Watch it.
Nah, them.
Yeah, I'm here so they can hit.
And your people. Anytime me tell Boom say, when you get no negative comment, bro, just tell me, we will know if you answer them. Because I one thing with me, you see patience and self-control, that is me, you know. You see me? Sometimes when some things hurt me, you know, people, me just bite my lip, you know. Before my mother dead, my mother tell me that my bottom lip on the inside, when I draw my tongue on the inside of my bottom lip, I feel one line, that is how often I bite my lip. But sometimes when some things burn me, I wonder if I shark them, let me see the first part. I want them there. I shark that, I shark, you know.
Blood seed, what you mean if I want shot that cocoa?
Shark, you know.
What? Jesus Christ. I don't want shark at two.
In the same way.
What you mean, see me there?
You get from the camera.
Hold on, me see if it. They not go see it good. Jesus Christ, peeps. Hold on there. Why, I don't know if I not go see it, you know, guys. I not go see it so good, guys. Yeah, see him there. See him there, so. Yes, Coco, see him there, yeah. See him there.
Yeah, man,
I want shot that, you know, guys. Watch it.
Circle around there, so I wish my vibes in there. Right now, I tell them, but in a big skin. Yeah, man, I want
shot that, guys. Me nah bother go out there. Tell Israel say. So I shark a while ago, you know, guys. So when I try to go near up,
but he move.
yeah, move. You see me, I say, guys. So when me say I go out in the water, I go through line, but me no feel like me I go out there again. Yes, no man. Yes, man.
And something might you see.
A food did it.
When you just see me, you wouldn't come up nothing. You know?
Yeah.
But that's a stingray around.
Aye, can be, you know.
Guys, you went and then you see when I tell you see, so like my flash. You know?
Aye. What does me say, guys? Tell Israel say. I go. Yes, no man. So yes, me peeps. See there, but them a come back out of water here, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Yeah, Biden vibes, Jamaica vibes. Yes, no man. Guys, the wind kind of a bit strong today, you know. Yeah, wind kind of strong today, so forgive me for that. Yes, me I say, guys. Yes, no man. I want me to you. Yes, me feel so you don't know. Coco they here within 2 security them. Yeah, you know. 1 piece of bulla. You see it there? Yeah, well circle. Watch out, guys. Piece of bulla to be chicken, you know. People watch out. Yes, me peace. So buy the catch. Buy that. Where you catch? One eel Biden. Wow, I'm big eel that man. Hey. I don't want to can shock you. Oh, they want to bite up you. Hey, so out this time. You find out man direct. You store them out this. Let me show you in the back there. Biden in dead. Eel dead. Me nah go the way there no peeps. We can't take no bite up, you know. Alright peeps, the bite the catcher. Whoa! Whoa! Skunker, one sergeant and one snapper and parrot. Yes no man. We didn't put none out there. Yes no man. Yes no man. That is it man. Yes me peeps, so that I go on, you know. Yes no man. Yeah. Can we see one shark up the side one time we are afraid? Yeah, I do it one time I get people, so just ask them to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Yes, me peeps. They are back again, you know, guys. We did move from the first location and they back on we original location back. You know what I say, guys? CMC size. Yes, CMC size settings, guys. You know we have Fat Jack around here, so.
One and only.
Yes. And we have Gaza grill around there, so.
Yo, yeah, Fat Jack around there, so. Freshwater fish here, so. Peely fish there, so.
Yeah.
How would that fish?
No. Skunk. Skunk, yes. Skunky around there, so many people. So, guys. Fire catch up in there, you don't know a boom catch up in fire. I don't know some man come put chip in there like a them catch fire, you know. I want to Fat Jack.
Oh dear.
Bitch, right, big up yourself.
Yeah.
Oi. Father. So guys, yes no man. So we are going freestyle something, you know, guys. Yeah man, so stay tuned for the one here. I say guys, blessings. People, Father by now we are going with this, sir.
Yes, my people.
Yeah.
They are clean up and cook them, you know.
That is it,
they
no
are
man.
the right thing, you see what we are doing?
Peeps.
Chang food, you know, people. Chang food we are putting everybody, so you know, say we are cleaning up the right and proper way.
Yes, yes.
And you don't know, say boom there, I'm going to shift them upstairs there, so you know we go, people. That's the right thing.
Alright, that is it, no man.
And do the right thing all the time, scrape them off like this. I'm showing all the style, people. You see, I cut him in between like so.
Yeah.
Open them up, you have to sharpen up people, I have to tip them and do the knife.
A crocodile, so you have to sharp.
boost me on people. You just up him up. Take a little time and open him up, people. And turn him over like. That's crazy, people. This is one of the easy to do with it on the knife sharp, you know. I don't want to cut off me, people.
Alright, so you open him up there now.
Yes, my people. So you see open up, you know. You get a quart back of your head time and knock him, you know.
Alright.
And the skin outside, you see not for about the skin, man. This is skin outside that make your skin stronger and make you get stronger in here. So you don't have to take off the skin of people.
Yes, no
so
man.
we do with the people.
So guys, yes, my peeps. Cocoa throw some vinegar. Yo, what? How you throw the vinegar, so?
I look a bit in there, I buy good.
It's alright, my peeps.
Watch me chewing on my back.
Yeah.
I'm in a little place.
So guys, fish them what we catch this morning, guys, and I eat them here.
We tell them already.
Okay. So we're going, guys. You don't know, we have some what that? Butterfish. Yes.
I know.
Yeah, perch there.
Kalasuma.
Yeah, kalasuma. Yes, no, man. Kalasuma is the big dough, no, guys. Watch it. Yeah, man. Guys, remember when we not come from Westmoreland? And we tell us we tap our location, we could pass the location. I want to do kalasuma there. Yeah, no, man. Let me slap away. Take him out and miserable.
You did shoot one and vibe shoot one.
Yeah, man, I say thing, guys. So you don't know. Throw vinegar upon it, take away rawness. Yes, no, man.
When they river up at your apartment, I see you use vinegar.
Oh, me? No, man, we use lime.
Never see you with no lime.
You never see me in the lime? You sure?
Yeah.
No, man.
I don't remember that. I watch back the video.
Yeah, watch back the video then, man.
I don't use no lime.
People.
Aye.
Alright, sir.
Alright,
sir.
People can't help you. People can't help you.
Oh.
I said, go look if you use no lime.
Alright, me peace. So watch out, guys. Stay tuned to your site. You don't know. So hold on, Coco. Before we cut the video, you see? What you plan for cook today, sir?
No fish and rice, brown stew fish with coconut milk and rice.
Yeah.
Like we say we are dealing with today.
Alright.
See me?
Alright then. Why people?
What we really want to do today, we not get to do it, because a couple of our friends them say yo, they want to involve in that. Yeah. We don't cook, so no, I can't tell them yet, we don't see it. But a couple of our brethren say they want some of that, so. One look at thing turn up and we never get, everybody never get for their boat. So we just can't see it, but we just still can do a lot of things here. You see?
Alright. So
that you know.
alright, my people. So stay tuned when the fish them are fry, guys. You see me I say?
Season up.
Season up and fry.
Everything.
Everything right now.
Right.
Yeah, man, so Coco have seasoned them, you know.
And that thing, we stop a road and buy this time, we just have season them. Everything we put in our bag.
Vibes make you left, don't?
Vibes don't help me pack up nothing in our vehicle this man.
I tell you about the fat jack.
You don't help me do nothing. I'll mash it up my left. I don't know where you do with it.
Garlic powder.
Garlic there, sir? So I use the garlic powder then. Alright, so we have garlic powder here, sir. This is our jerk season. This is a brand new slap your mama.
Just pull out a plastic.
Yo, you know, say I am boom done me slap your mama.
Oh, I don't use slap your mama.
What you use?
Let me see which one. I spice one. Original. Oh, never.
You
No, use slap. No, I use jerk season. I got some in the bag too if you want some.
Let me knife about it. Alright. You want to run a slice pan them fish?
Kung for days. Yo.
How much vinegar one have?
You don't have to wash off with vinegar now. I don't know where I'm going to eat it. Come like, and then get done. Man, just throw them out in watch out, some bag, yeah. Just put them in this and just put them in the eagle. Jamaica vibes.
That's how you think, man.
What you say now?
What they are, watch you doing, I think.
What Edo say?
Edo, I say, you can't eat no more crayfish.
That Edo say?
Yeah. It's a him run the crayfish ground.
Edo?
That Edo say. Edo say if you tell you that plain and straight. And he saying, number one, he saying afraid of you.
I'm going to tell you what I go on.
Yeah.
Edo just there around, you know, and him just did bored and just want to have something to talk. So you see me?
That he say?
Yeah, that Edo, that go on.
Let me find out. Boom, where he say?
Catch some water out I see.
Where he say?
Eh?
Who bother? Edo or such
yo,
man?
Yo, Edo, I'm tell you what I go on. The crayfish they make your body, you know. The crayfish make your body, you know.
Edo? A fish and conch make them man a bad Edo. Edo? God almighty.
So you have to know you know,
So-
for that Edo. So I don't know Edo full of, I mean, used to hold Edo auntie when I cross road to go to school, you know.
I know him turn bad man.
I got basic school, you know.
I know him turn bad man.
And I come up to bad me up. I know, anybody up there? Yes! Be about me up as a father, I just you. Edo, relax. My truck life tell about me, you hear that?
Closing up for them pretty man. Oh God, yo, the fish them pretty like Christmas morning.
What them do?
Yo, them pretty like pepper light.
Singapore, we have
Could
gone to a
They say they. Hey, what is it though? You go find it though. What is it?
I was not bug up on Edo. Watch this, you know. Edo, hear me I say Edo. You say me want to know about me. Ask truck life about me.
Eh.
You
Who
have
bother?
to ask all Warwick about me.
Oh, but Pablo.
You see me? Oh?
Pablo
Pablo Badami?
Pablo say my bad man, sir.
You.
Yo. Pablo say now running the water.
Oh. Listen,
What the
man.
only thing why you can defend your pan? Why you can defend your final?
No, man, them man they rate me, man.
For the pan. For the pan.
Pablo have to ease himself.
Pablo please.
Have to ease himself.
So what am to Sean?
Sean, dry food boss. No, man. You know, see, when you have phone, me and you have to go up on the part fight a Sean. Yeah. Look at the fish, the big ass one about this. A phone, you have to go up and go part fight. Then Sean can't talk to me. I want to see you, man. Dry food boss. Raquel and my dogs, you know. You know, so what they make one mistake with the file paper. Me I say, pre-seller. Me I say my file paper cheap, but I never pre-seller and I miss what making it. Stella.
Yeah.
That one file paper cheap. Yo, Stella, watch it, you know. That's what I'm making, man. One file paper cheap. Watch it, you know.
If I paper cheap. So you say fish them done season.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man, season with a reason, you know.
Yeah, man, them alright, man.
Yeah man. Beautiful morning. And so we got the season them and my peeps.
You want to catch my bunny right now, because nobody now get my bunny.
Silent.
Eh.
Like silent.
With them they don't be there.
I'm gonna dump you up there.
Bad man no drink bag juice pan base.
Bad man no left them bag juice too far.
Clarendon blend, fruit
One done.
juice. Clarendon blend, fruit juice. Alright.
All is mine.
People. Yes no man. That is it me peeps. People watch ya. Yes no man. Fish in a pot. Just hold up. That is it me peeps. Believe no man. Yeah man. Hey, Ated, you feel like this a chattings? Man I drink them bag juice pan base.
Fruit juice, Clarendon blend.
AKA Aishana.
All I want to know is with all the ginger in it.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Just cool no man, you move like blacks now. Yeah. Yes no man. That is it man.
Father.
Father.
That I go on there, so you know. In a John shop. Or go on a John shop.
John shop now no over with.
Oh God. Butterfish and perch. Oh God man.
You say you mouth how you ugly?
Yo. Did you know say the butterfish them?
Yeah.
Although a part of one type of group, you know.
Yeah.
You know say them and take out the fish there. Take out that one there. Yeah, my peeps, pre this. You know say this is a when I call them a freshwater grouper because said where the all of the heads stay. Yeah. That different from snapper head no. This is a more favor one grouper, you know.
Yeah.
You understand?
Sure,
Yeah man. If you notice man. Yeah, and if you notice, see them head them people. Same type of head.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, I just 2 female check.
Alright.
Yeah man, I said thing man. No joke.
Yes, me peeps. That a go on, you don't know.
A code man. A code. And see by in there so My peeps,
Yes, me
it's one of the
people,
best
me
youth you
there,
can
go
see with. I don't grow anything on top.
Yes, me people, me there, watch me there.
One time I text you, I 80.
Eh?
80 and one I go.
No, that's right. Yeah, I go.
Ah yeah, the visibility did bad too.
Yeah, visibility.
Visibility
bad, but,
poor.
You know, we don't give up people.
Poor.
You know, we don't give up. You know, we
That
just-
I think, man, we
just
fight.
Fight and those.
Cause when I see no fish, I tell the man, say, yo, come in, you can go on here, man.
Yeah, man.
And I see him find 2 fish and shoot 2. When I see man go and turn back out and see me, head out and see 2 come and say, boss, no, him I go.
Yeah, man, I stone them I look for, man, my peeps. I stone them I look for.
Stone and can't find it though.
Yeah, man, me
Go
and
like,
vibes, man, out there, man.
go like the wave
Find
moving,
so
stone
nice,
it.
like a fish there. We give thanks, cause it could have been worse, cause enough time ago and nothing.
And nothing go on. Look at the last time I go.
Yeah, man.
Not even water we couldn't go in.
Yeah, man. You don't know you go play a ball and the foot kind of get a little injured. That's how we not forward, you know.
So hold on, a foot out to make nothing line in not sure.
Sharp.
Not in line.
Not even lying.
Eh? See that now?
Make him man name music,
People.
man.
That the shot there when me see, you see? I and touch back that water.
Why get into a line?
Eh? I'm have to go, you're mad, man. You make sure tell Coco to tell Israel, say.
So if you like it out, then I go pull it.
Go pull what? It a turn out there. Go pull what? With that shot, let me see up there, so. I flick so. After me now want to be next spray. You're mad, man. Peeps.
I say, why we are getting that water?
But yeah, water did it.
Oh, why we are getting that water?
Oh, so guys,
Yeah.
you have with coconut milk. You see me I say, guys? Yes, no man. Throw it in the pot, you know? Yes,
Beef
no
is
man.
in the
Mm.
soup is on the bone.
Stir him up, father. Yes, no peeps.
The thing, you know.
Yeah, no man.
Yeah, man.
That is it. Peeps, you don't know, say. Take
Gotta
time.
get some seasoning. like
Yes,
that.
season him up. Cause see
Understand,
fish them done fry now, guys.
Yeah, my
See
peeps.
it, no man.
Yeah, man, that I think.
Yes, no man. Watch it, guys.
That I style. Beautiful fish, beautiful
Beautiful. Yes,
people.
no
I
man.
get some hot pepper,
Mhm.
sweet pepper, scallion, onion and carrot.
Yes,
Yeah, man. So,
that is it.
yeah, man.
So
Well
guys,
sort it out. I use my hand.
yeah.
Yeah, man.
You don't know anything, go, guys.
Yes, man.
Bush style cooking.
Oh, God.
Yeah, no
And
man.
that because I want to bush my peeps, I still I do it on a level.
Yeah.
Back piece of the onion. Eh?
Yes, no man. So guys, continue to show we support
Yes,
the
man,
love.
that I think we
And
want
guys,
to.
if you not get the notification them, or we drop a video them, guys,
Yeah.
turn it off and turn it on back.
Turn off no notification.
Yeah.
And turn on the back.
And turn on the back,
You
guys.
understand? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. That is it, me peeps.
Yeah, man. YouTube turn off all notification.
At times, you see me? Yeah. Cause me see me drop me video them and me see a lot of my subscribers them.
Yeah.
Me know see a lot of them come on the video.
That I
So
think.
I want to know what is happening.
You understand?
Yes, me I say, guys. Yeah. That is it, me peeps. So you don't know that I want, you know? Yes, no man. Peeps, look at that.
Very beautiful.
Yeah, man. Fish in a pot, man.
Man, can't
Under
come
some
out.
coconut
Can't
juice,
come
you know?
out. Some peeps I make it cook down to a gravy.
Yeah.
That I right way.
Yes, no man. Oh, I'm feeling smoke, yeah. Back up. Yes, my peeps, look there. Yeah, man. My peeps, you know, say fish come off and the rice go on, you know. But you did busy in the kitchen, I can see what I go on. You see me, I say, guys? Yes, no man.
Stir it up on a
Stew
level.
it up.
Yes, man.
Yes, no man.
Vegetable and all these things
That
in
is
it.
it. Just cool on my peeps, no man.
So we have
Yeah.
a-
So guys, the table active in the watch. We have a fry fish on here, so. Watch your peeps. See fisher. Yes, no man. Yes, my peeps, see it there. You see carrot. You see carrot, peeps. What? Look at that now. You see carrot. Yes, no man. That vibes, you look so
Hungry.
hungry.
Hungry boy.
Hungry boy. People. Watch out, guys. Come, you see now, guys. Watch out. Oh, yes, no man.
Watch man a pass and a look in man. Like in a wall, look like food in. Yeah man,
I'm the cocoa pepper attack.
pepper man.
Yes, no man.
Seafood for that man.
Yes, my peeps. I don't know, you guys are sure. I don't know if I see that I cook up plate that. Yes.
We catch water in it.
You see that there?
Vibes, you see, you know?
Warwick, you see that there? Say man, them bad man.
That is nice.
Man want to fling on me dish pan.
Man, want to catch water in there.
As he share rice there with a chunk of
Vibes are wicked, you know? What you want to do that to you, man, Vibes?
Plate today.
My youth, which man plate that? You see a 3 plate come.
The man make sure he can't cheat.
Drain out the water out of your plate, my
This is
friend.
a style.
Yes.
This
That
is
is
a style. A style is full of style.
Hola, no?
Can't cheat plate.
Alright, my piece, you don't know it's all thing a share out, you know?
I want this in them. One I butter.
One eye butter.
No man, I want that.
One?
Yeah, up on top in there, you know? Yes, my peeps, see it there? Yeah, man. One eye butter, you know?
Butter for days.
Butter for
Yeah,
days.
man, back for my food now. So.
Yes,
And
no
I have to share
man.
it for my meat outside.
Hello,
So I can't give me butter them.
Mr.
How much
Grant.
so the butter them?
I want fishes or two.
One. One next one and anything. Boom, a fry butter, boom, one to know. Cook butter, man. A butter that, you know.
Hold on.
Fry
Fry
butter.
one.
Yeah.
You want that for boom?
Yeah, fry butter for boom. Steam butter.
Oi.
Yo, let me say that for my pot, man. And that's why I eat my gravy. When I eat,
You say I do, you take for your night pot?
yeah.
Alright, no, sir.
I want
Boom
fish
now
out.
one and is a fisher. How when this I want?
Yeah.
Hello. Put me fish in my plate and tap this little vibes, yeah?
Then you not stand up there and ask nothing my youth.
Hey, the piece of fish drop off there. Yeah, don't make him
So
waste.
we're going to get my butters.
Hmm?
We're going to get my butters.
What you know so I fry one did you so?
No.
Yes,
Slow, but
the
I'm afraid of
peeps.
me.
I'm not afraid of your vibes.
Look at that. That's one plate now having a salt in it.
The vibes one that there.
Oh, it's my plate. Alright, don't worry about my plate, boom. Don't worry about my plate.
Alright, my peeps. Hello, Mr. Grant.
Come on, give me piece of soup. Yo, give me piece of
Cut
soup,
the
man.
next fish when we see what I go on this one.
Come on, give me piece of soup, man.
People.
Fish there, man.
Yeah. Fish there,
Come
man.
on, fish there, man. Come. The
Yes.
butters there. The soup, man.
The color suma there.
Somebody name a piece of this, you know.
Somebody name a piece side. Don't vibes. Somebody eat
Right,
a
enough
piece
gravy
side.
Eh?
that there.
Yes, man. I know.
Somebody eat half
pop
it.
off piece like so.
Yeah.
Right.
And go so.
No,
Yes,
not
no
who.
man. Me no know who need that.
No, but
You want a piece of this vibes?
Yes. You know, this one.
Yes, me peeps. Look at that.
You know, have to give me a piece of the bone, brother.
Look at that, no peeps. Yes, no man. Cook star plate.
Yo, I'm not
that,
afraid
you know.
of you, you know. Oh.
Yes, me peeps. A cook star plate that, me people. Yes, no man. Watcha. Watcha.
Vibes one there.
Yeah. Watcha, guys.
Biden. Sit down, man. You got care for your come. Don't move.
I'll take one.
Vibes. Well, look on Biden. I just leave have next week.
No, I'm sure no them teeth off this.
Mm.
This is them so.
Yeah. And what
Them
Biden?
use a fish tail and back set.
I'm dear Biden.
Fish in my job one.
Fish in your jawbone.
See my road, you know.
No Biden, you don't say fish in your jawbone.
Sit around there, so. Sit around.
Something wrong with your Biden.
See my road in my job one.
People watch Fat Jack. Watch Fat Jack, no man.
You know, cocoa drain out the gravy, so we not give them the gravy.
A whole heap of gravy in your
So I have
butter.
to use the pot.
Alright, sir. Yes, Fat Jack.
These people, they are doing right thing, you know. Like, you know, they hear people. I support life. Alright.
Aye!
Watch it, guys.
Okra everything.
Okra everything on the left.
I left them.
Yeah,
Cocoa
okay.
man. She means an overthinker.
Food I eat. Father.
Edo. Edo.
Edo.
You don't answer.
Watch the people. Yes,
Yo,
no man.
son.
Jai food boss.
Yo,
Yeah.
but I want to listen to my craving, you know.
Eh.
I want a day.
I want to do.
When I don't eat this,
Eh.
to come in night, now you know, so I just come mile up.
Yeah.
Couple tough crackers.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Food up.
You feel like the part the too little for you.
Look back.
The one you have in your hand.
Calm down a bit. That time I start traveling with my spoon.
I do like African them.
Use your hand. So yes, the peeps, I don't know.
Boy, my peeps.
Food have a buzz. What's that? Me a good night. Can't make Coco feel like say I'm alone I eat food. You me answer guys, me have a good night too. Yes, no man. I two raspberries drop out of my mouth. Just go guys, watch I don't know. I will take my time, consume the food, and get back to you. You know what I say, guys? Yes, the man. Don't move, you know. Don't move, guys, and stay right there. Yes.
Yeah, alright, people.
The peeps.
Water, I need after this.
Fat Jack, you alright?
Good fight in this.
Hi. Why people?
Beef out there, so that if good me could fight.
Why peeps belly full? I tell you.
Right now, because that is
Yeah,
our
man.
float. Let's see a float and go over there.
Gaza grill. What go on?
Couple fish them, them they want scale them still.
Eh.
But somebody have to give me a start.
You want a battery start? Makes sense. Get them to your people. Yeah.
I mean, I pack my fin them, you know.
Right now, back to your... I like him. They have gun now. I saw him. Between the lot. Yeah, man. So in a pocket of food. I said, I don't know when. That man just say, I said, boom. How many I look dog for it? So we should say, we should make a shoot.
So you have to can choose this fish you shoot. You have to can choose which fish you shoot.
I said, I'm buying there. You see? I'm going to buy them gun and the water, so I can't see buy that.
The current I go to sea now. I understand the current I go to sea, can I go way out to sea?
Yeah.
I'm ready for
come back in. When the current I out to sea, it's easier to swim out.
The same thing I can't feel off them.
You see it? You swim. Yo, you see when I come in and I swim across the current, you don't come like you swim up on river stream, upstream.
Yeah.
So when the current lick you out of water and you swim, your pug come like fire upon them.
Come on for them.
Sorry, so don't get to see underwater.
Yeah, man.
I just one of them days, the guy.
That is it, man.
Never prepare.
That is it.
You see it?
Yes, no, man. But yes, me peeps. Boy, me I tell you say. And the dry food segment, this, you know. A food.
Make sure you know that.
Oh!
You better know.
In 50 wag.
Sean, some knowledge are setting up.
Yeah.
But now this is Sean. Sean, I can get some.
I'm not sure if you can get that cocoa one because the big pan wash out, you know.
Dry food, boss.
Oh!
Show Sean what
Dry food, boss.
Dry food, watch ya.
Dry food, boss.
Watch ya.
When I bother with it, I jack them like you know. You know
Yeah.
what I mean? Yeah.
Watch ya. Yeah, man. So, guys, that I go on now, guys. I don't know.
What a man.
All out there, your belly full. Everybody does a whole of vibe. Seeing we, you know. Just sorry, say a lot of you guys cannot be here with us at the moment, but soon.
One night time.
Yeah, soon, you know. Turn up on the beach side and cook some nice food and the whole of we just sit down and whole of vibes.
Enjoy ourselves.
Yes, no, man. Yes, on the headquarters, you know.
This is life in Jamaica.
Yeah.
You see, you want like a style menu on the planet.
Alright. Alright, me please.
Thank you, sir.
So that I go on, guys. So Coco I go scrape up them fish there and thing, you know, guys. So I'm gonna give him a hand. You know what I'm peeps. So later. It was a great day. I'm not gonna tell you guys. The day did active, you know. Active, me peeps. I'm gonna tell you say the thing it did start out comfortable, to be honest, you see me? Yes, man. That is it, me people. So watch now. Soon get back to him. I see him one day. But don't see me there? Aye. Soon touch you see water, man. The shark there? Yes, man, I saw a nice shark to them. I say, yo. After I see shark, them I come tell me, say, me if you go in the water. Go through like, he say, you come like, say, eh? We do, you're mad, man. When they're sitting there deep under the water and by the you say, who that in there, your foot, you know? Oh, believe. So guys, that I go on, man. I'm buying there, I'm going Wally.
Yes,
Yes,
we
me.
will be
Mm-hmm.
closing at the ending and show, you know.
Yes, no man.
Still I give thanks to you because while we still when I get a scrap, when I get a cut, so we bless. And
Yes.
God thanks to that.
That
people.
is it, no man.
Yeah,
That
give
is
thanks
it. No, we have to give Almighty thanks every day, you know. Because we ain't put none out of fee, you know. We ain't put nothing out there, you know. And we go out there, go find food and coming back successful. So we have to give praise to that.
Safe.
Yeah,
So we have to give our Lord all of the praise.
that is it, no man. Yes, me peeps.
What
Another
time it
day.
is? Another adventure.
Alright,
this
watch
side
the
them
guys.
peeps.
Watch the.
Yeah, man, that's
Yeah.
how
Watch
we
the.
roll.
Watch your perch, guy. Watch your
You used to do it.
Ali,
You used to watch
Ali.
river. You watch man.
Ali, yeah,
Man
man,
used,
jump.
yo,
Yeah, man.
man used to river, yeah.
Yeah, man. Watch your peeps. Watch your parrot there.
nice,
Eh?
Oh,
Yes,
God,
no man, that is it, man. Watch
Quality.
watch the guys.
A quality
Woo.
yellow grunt.
Yeah, man, and watch it. He's sitting there.
Yellow good.
Snapper.
Snapper, yeah, guys. Watch the snapper, yeah. Yes, no man.
Quality, quality,
Yes, no man.
quality.
That is it, man.
Yeah, man,
So
quality.
peeps. you
Even
don't
though the
know.
water dirty in them
Yeah.
peeps, but
Even though the
Yo.
visible bad,
they
Yeah,
man,
man.
do it steady,
yeah,
you
man.
know.
Original.
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 man. Still
And them
bad,
man-
a
them
bite.
man I got water, man. I'm comfortable.
Yeah,
Alright,
Is it? A miles ago.
2 away, 2 away.
Miles
I go dive in, guys, and from
Nice,
now
man.
on the conk and them little something there when you can send in the order
Everything.
and then get it for you, see me?
Yeah, man, come
Yes,
your
man.
lobster, your fish.
Everything, man.
Just put
Everything.
in your hand and you get where you
Eel.
want to need people.
Everything, right?
Eel.
Right now we have one
King
eel like igloo, you know, guys.
Yeah, eel in the
We
fish
have
crab.
one eel in there, you know. Yes,
yeah,
no
But
man.
I'll do that. I'll do that dish. Them I could see on different. After we look up it, we do that dish.
Mm-hmm.
You see, it, one of the nicest things. You know,
Yeah.
go see it. We not to reveal it.
Alright, no man.
Yeah, man. Enough people do it, you know, but you are one of the nicest when you done it.
Alright.
Yes, man.
So yes, me peeps, they don't know so if I say we face and you say we belly, they know
Full.
what time it is, you know,
Yeah,
guys.
outside that
Full.
food.
Okay, me people, so you don't know, so you made it to the end of the video, guys. I want to say this. Big up all of my new subscribers, them.
Oh,
Blessed
bless
for
up
your
yourself.
support.
Yeah, man.
Blessed for your love on our show, man. Big up you. Me get a whole heap of comment where me subscribe and say, boom, me rate where you and your team a do. Continue put in the work. You see me I say, a God and time.
Yeah, man.
Bless up for all of them good
Yes,
comment there. You
Yeah,
see me I
man.
say, me
We gotta
peeps.
get a fight, you know,
Yes,
but
no
you
man.
want we still a press on.
Mm-hmm.
We are go on and on and on and on
See
and
the
on
peeps.
and on.
Right now, no peeps. See there, no. A boom and family and friends, but you see family around the same, no man.
Yeah.
Family.
Coco.
Are we say?
We is a family.
Oh,
We is a family.
that is it, me
And
peeps.
I
I don't
trust me
know.
and dive
Those
vibes
people,
of dives enough people. And
Yeah,
I
man.
tell you, say
That
it's
I
a
stand,
great
That I
adventure
stand,
in the
Yes,
place.
Yeah,
man.
Great,
enough
great,
people don't
great.
know, so we listen, I see me by now.
Yeah.
But we tap it a while for because, yo,
Yeah.
we not see no after that. I be a river winner now.
Yeah.
But we still do it. So,
Yeah, man,
we not fully 100
First-
today yet, you
first
know,
me and
again,
them
you
go
know.
there and a
Yeah.
great
But you know,
experience, people.
next time we go there, a different setting.
No, boom, I got did there. Oh no, say. Alright, so
Come out
guys.
there, blast.
Remember,
Boom
say,
out there, go in there, man.
I two gun, the nice, you know.
No, me I tell you, say me fin did left.
Oh,
And my foot did that at me.
oh,
Cause Coco tackled me one night ago.
oh.
Yes, so guys, until next time, somewhere in a Jamaica, right at your doorstep,
Anyway,
right at your kitchen,
anyway.
round a one part.
Anyway, when you see we are Jamaica, House of Parliament. Anyway.
Yeah.
Oh, now one place.
Yeah.
People, big up a pink parrot, you know what I mean?
So guys, that is it.